Okay, so it's time to discuss a bit about wallets and the wallets available on Rollercoin. And when I say wallets, I mean the crypto coins that you can actually receive and withdraw. So today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to delve into that and go more in detail on what coins I am currently mining and which coins I think are the best to mine on Rollercoin and why. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm just going to jump straight into this. This is the homepage of Rollercoin. I'm already logged into my account, and here near the little hamster I'm going to click on the wallet icon, and here it will bring up all of the wallets. Okay, so what I like to do here is how am I going to decide what to mine? Okay, how will I actually know which coin is best to mine? So the first thing that I wanted to highlight and point out, because I think this is very important, don't just choose the coin that has the least people on it. Okay, so if you go to the home screen here, hey, I got the Big Boss Miner. Thank you. New video for that will come out soon. Get the miner. So if I go to the home screen here and I go down to the network power, here you will see the network power which is placed on the different type of coins that there are. Okay, so here I have, for example, Dogecoin. There's 1, 2, 8. Don't just choose the one that has the least network power, or because there's not too many people there so you'll get a bigger share, because it's not necessarily always going to be the case. And also, it doesn't mean that because there are less people, it is worse to mine or better to mine, and even vice versa. So it doesn't mean because there are loads of people on BTC at the moment, that's the most powerful, the one that the most power is dedicated to, 142 exahash per second. Okay, doesn't mean that's going to be the best. Okay, there are calculators that you can calculate with, and I'm going to leave a link down to that below, but they are not official Rollercoin calculators, so be careful when using them, because it doesn't necessarily mean that you will actually be making as much as the calculator will state. Although with my experience for the past 10 months playing Rollercoin and using these calculators, they have been very accurate. Okay, what I wanted to point out mainly here is that if I go to wallets and let's say I want to start mining Solana, why not? Okay, so I'm just going to click on Solana here. Make sure that here you have the withdraw button. Otherwise, if you're going to keep mining a particular coin and you can't withdraw it, the only thing that you'll be able to do with it is convert it into the game and convert it into RLT. Okay, now obviously I always suggest that when you convert any other crypto into RLT, do it during a progression event so you will get the multiplier. Otherwise, if there is no progression event and you do that, then you will not be getting the benefits of a multiplier during a progression event. So wait until there's a progression event and when you actually need it to convert from any of those cryptocurrencies to the RLT token. Also check when there are discounts as well, because when you actually go, for example, to the Rollercoin token and you want to pay in a particular crypto, when there are offers available, there'll be a percentage written down here. Okay, it will also be at the top here where the Rollercoin token is. So sometimes there's a 25% discount, sometimes there's a 35% discount. There were times when there were even 50% discounts, so you'd be getting effectively a lot more RLT than you would when there are no discounts and offers being offered by the Rollercoin team. Now, what I really want to point out is, let's say I want to go for Tron and I'll be mining Tron. If I click on Tron, I can't even click on it. So you can only deposit Tron and convert that back into RLT. If I'm going to be mining that through the game, bear in mind that you, at this time of this video, you cannot withdraw Tron. You cannot withdraw Litecoin. Okay, you cannot withdraw, let's see, Tether. You cannot withdraw Tether. Okay, USDT, you can't withdraw that. You can only deposit, as you can see at the top here. Okay, so go through these, it's very important. BUSD, same thing. So anything that you're mining in the game, you might say, oh wow, I'm gonna make more BUSD than I'd make Bitcoin, but what are you gonna do with it? Are you going to put it back into the game? Because currently That is the only option that there is, that you have to kind of reinvest it back into the game. You cannot withdraw it. Polygon is okay, you can withdraw, okay? Binance Coin, you can withdraw. Ethereum, you can withdraw. Bitcoin, you can withdraw as well. Dogecoin, you can withdraw as well. Okay, now SHIB, you can't. You can only deposit. So Shiba Inu. Peppercoin, same thing. You can only deposit. Floorkey, quite new. You can only deposit. Okay, and bear in mind these new ones: Floorkey, Pepe, SHIB, WPepe, not the same as Peppercoin. It tells you here that 20 million Pepe equals 2 WPepe. Okay, so make sure to do your calculations properly to make sure you know how much you're investing into the game when you're actually doing this. Now again, like I always like to say, I am not giving you any financial advice, okay? I am just showing you here to make sure that you can actually withdraw the funds that you're depositing, if you are depositing, and if you're not depositing funds and you're mining them through the game because you've dedicated the majority of your power to mining a particular coin, make sure that you can actually withdraw it, or make sure that you have a plan on what you're going to do with that coin when you convert it to RLT and what you want to purchase, okay? You might have a bigger plan in mind. You might be saying, oh, but I'm gonna make more RLT if I mine, for example, I don't know, something that can't be withdrawn like BUSD, okay? You can't withdraw that, but you're making more than you would if you were to mine Bitcoin, for example, okay? This is just an example. But so that might give you an advantage if your main goal is to actually reinvest in the Rollercoin game and get the Roller token to get bigger and more powerful miners. So just keep these things in mind because I think that they are very important. And also when you come to withdraw, so for example, let's go to Dogecoin, which you can withdraw, okay? Click on the withdraw button. See how much there is as a minimum to withdraw. In the case of Dogecoin, there is a minimum withdrawal of 30 Doge, okay? So if I do 29, it's not gonna let me, okay? So this is the wallet address here. So if I wanna do 29, it's not gonna let you. So first you put in your valid address and then you put in the amount, obviously. Now, same for the others. Important to note what the minimum is. For example, I've got 0.7 here. If I wanted to withdraw that, I can't because I need 5 Matic to be able to withdraw. Okay, so just check these little things out. Make sure that your ultimate goal at the end of the day is to be able to withdraw in crypto and then exchange them to maybe fiat or just leave them as crypto as an investment. So that's the whole point, that people are spending time on Rollercoin and playing the games and spending a lot of time and sometimes even money depositing into the game. It's not just because they like the project, okay? At least for the majority of people, I don't think that will be the case. And most people will want to get something back out of all of this, okay? I do believe that Rollercoin is a great project. It's been going on for 5 years strong. I've been in the game around 10 months now, maybe slightly less, and it's been going really well. I mean, I have not withdrawn, but I just really love the game. I love the project. I love the team behind Rollercoin. I am a content creator on Rollercoin as well. And I just really love the Discord community on there, people communicating and really actually taking the game quite seriously, sometimes a bit too much than they actually should. I mean, at the end of the day, yes, it is a game. Yes, I know that you want to get the most out of it, and that is why I am here to try and give you these little bits of information for you to be able to get the most out of the game as well. Okay, so I hope that you found this video useful. That's the main thing I wanted to discuss with you all. Check that you obviously can withdraw the coin that you are actually putting your power on. Check the minimum amount of withdrawal and make sure to plan ahead. And also remember that if you haven't yet signed up to the game, you can register through the link that I'm going to leave below this video in the description, and I'll also leave a pinned comment on that as well, so that you can sign up through my referral link and immediately receive 1000 Satoshi as soon as you sign up for free. So thanks for watching this video. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.